champions.
Just chilling in someone's house, right? Wow. Just keeps looking at the camera. Doge. Doge. Swagging Doge. Fucking small rat. Big rat. It's a big rat. It's literally just a big rat. Oh, this so chunkus.
The girl with a cold hard cash is always Miss Right.
Good luck. Have fun. Don't die.
Follow me if you want to win. This is your champion.
Go. Stick this thing. Oh, I'm fucking playing a normal game. God. Really? Why? I appreciate it. Really? Oh. How's it? I didn't expect that out of you, Sam. I didn't expect. Oh, wait. That's a bit... I am playing Apex.
First blood already. That's what happens when you get too excited.
Arc Star out.
Attention. There is a new kill leader.
Keep eyes on the new kill leader.
We've got a minute until the ring closes.
Hostile spotted.
If you want it, bag it.
Broke that enemy shield. Reloading.
45 seconds, rings close.
Yeah,
Enemy taken down.
flattered.
Reloading.
Tossing jump drive.
30 seconds. Contact.
Shattered an enemy shield. Enemy. Enemy.
Hostile close.